Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the security section, fingerprint manager. Then you have to select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. I'll just select PIN. Then you have to enter your PIN, confirm it, then select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. Then you have to find your fingerprint sensor, which is located right here on the power button. Tap next, and now tap it with your finger several times, just like this, for it to remember your fingerprint. And fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can unlock your device without even entering any code by just slightly pressing power key with your fingerprint, with your finger I mean, and your device will be instantly unlocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.